Okay, y'all, I finished with my corn. I got it all off of the cob, and so now I'm getting ready to add the ingredients that I use in my cream corn. So I love to add bell peppers, and sometimes I add the tricolor bell peppers, but today I'm only adding the green bell peppers. And if you want red, just add you 1 small bottle of pimento. Okay, let me show you what I put in. I put in 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to use another cup of water. Babe, can I have another cup of water? So we're going to do a teaspoon and a half of salt. Now, if you have white pepper, use white pepper. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 more cup of water. If you want to add any garlic, onion powder in here, you can. And back in the day, my mom, she would just squeeze the juice out of the kernel, but I'm not going to do that today. And I'm getting ready to go ahead and put this in the frying pan. Okay, I have about 3 tablespoons of oil in the frying pan, not a whole lot, and I have 1/2 stick of butter. So let's get this mixed up and take it to the stove. Okay, y'all, let's go in with our corn. Okay. Okay. Then we're going in with a 1/2 stick of butter. And we're just going to put the top on it and let it simmer, and then we'll come back. Okay, y'all, we're going in with a little heavy cream, and that's about a 1/2 cup. So we'll get this stirred and let it cook a little bit more. Okay, we're going in with 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's optional, you don't have to do that. And we're going to stir this up and turn it down low and let it continue to cook. Okay? Okay, y'all, delicious cream style corn. I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit, and then we'll be ready to have some. It's a difference between a fried corn and a cream style corn. I love to fry white corn, old style and old school like my mom did, but I also love the cream style fresh corn. So this is just about ready, y'all. Just about ready.